opposite of Nigeria. If Igbo man do not put a voice, President word shall never be passed. That is why they fear Ojukwu. Ojukwu is a no-nonsense man. If you see them in a bully, when you're talking to the president, go on. You see him as the same fellow man. Oga, let us settle this matter. You just watch a bully. Oga, this country belongs to you and I, but there's a partiality, and I can't take it. Ojota na ngulong we asega. Oga, let's talk. But this new generation, I send it to go and represented us. These are people that call seller, those that sell you for money. If they give them something like 7 billion naira or ordinary, why Nigerian government refused to let Igbo people go? Once Igbo people go, Nigeria is dead. A wicked government like Nigeria, if P2B is a careless man that don't have a solid foundation, by now the story about him is already closed. As far as this world is concerned, Igbo is #1 people in the world. In any country where Igbo man is not there, there is no progress in that country. Am I sure? People will warn you, go out of that country. Igbo man is not there. Can't you see how blessed Igbo people is in all over the world? Igbo is gifted. Listen to me. Why Nigerian government refused to let Igbo people go? Once Igbo people go, Nigeria is dead. The progress of Nigeria today is under the controlling of Igbo people. Igbo people are the one make Nigeria what Nigeria is all about. So when you talk about Igbo man, you talk about progress. You talk about establishment. And the whole world, both Hausa and Yorubas know, give a desert to an Igbo man. Am I sure you are hearing me? When I'm talking about a desert that 100 years, that place is not preparing for people to come there to be the house. But give that desert to an Igbo man. Just give him only 6 months. It will turn that desert to an estate. Celebrate the Igbo man. Look at what is happening today in Nigeria. Just that only one of our brother, P2B, all the whole politicians are running mad.